You got dashboards, reports, a full data team, but the business, they're still guessing. The ROI, nowhere in sight. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why data teams failed to deliver real business ROI and how to fix it with 6 strategic shifts. If you're tired of bloated backlogs, executive doubt, and dashboards that never move the needle, this is your reset button. A few years ago, I met with a Fortune 500 client. Their data team had just shipped 40 dashboards over the last quarter, beautifully designed, cutting-edge tooling, but the CFO still pulling numbers from Excel. Not one of those dashboards answered a critical business decision at a glance. That quarter, conservatively $300K in time and tooling, and not a dollar of business impact to show for it. This is not an edge case. It is how most data teams operate today, and it is bleeding companies dry. You don't have a tooling gap. You have a translation gap. Dashboards that don't drive action are just decorative spreadsheets. Fix number 1. Reframe every request just like this. The analysis will enable person X to make decision Y, which drives outcome Z. If your team can't finish that sentence accurately, it's not a business problem, it's a distraction. Most data teams turn into Jira factories, churning out tickets with no value-based prioritization. Fix number 2. Set up a triage system that ranks every request by these 3 categories: business impact, strategic alignment, urgency versus effort. If everything gets built, nothing gets used. If everyone gets a dashboard, no one gets a result. Let's cut the noise. If your analysts can't ask the right business questions, you'll always be chasing clarity instead of delivering it. Fix number 3. Train your team to challenge every request. That's right. They should be asking, what decision is this for? What will change if this works? How will we measure success? Translators can help, sure, but the goal is a team fluent in business impact, not reliant on interpreters. If your dashboard needs a walkthrough, it's already failed. Executives don't want to explore data. They want decisions at a glance. Fix number 4. Assign data product owners. Build for reuse and scale, and measure adoption like a product. One company saved 40% and doubled delivery speed by reusing one single data product across 5 teams. Build once, deliver repeatedly, and maintain it like it matters. Shipping a dashboard or model isn't delivery. If no one uses it or it doesn't change behavior, you wasted your sprint. Fix number 5. Track usage. Monitor model performance. Measure the business result it was supposed to improve. If adoption drops and no one notices, you didn't lose trust. You lost funding and maybe next year's headcount. Most data investments fail because no one builds a culture to use them. 67% of executives admit they don't trust or understand their own tools. That is not a tooling issue. That is a leadership issue. Fix number 6. Train leaders in data literacy. Celebrate business units that act on insight, tie incentives to outcomes, not delivery. Culture is what turns insights into action. Without it, you're spinning wheels in high-def dashboards. Your data team is either driving decisions or it's overhead. Dashboards don't win business. Outcomes do. Stop measuring outputs. Start measuring what changed. And if nothing changed, you didn't deliver anything at all. That was the free version. The full Masterclass includes prioritization frameworks, intake redesign templates, and the exact language that earns budget and trust in the boardroom. If you want the playbook I give my enterprise clients, join the waitlist for the live executive session. And in the meantime, be sure to check out this video right here.